Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, today I'll get you a story about the year of elephants. Imagine when you're standing somewhere and then a hot stone falls. Are you going to stay or run while the hot stone keeps chasing you? This is what happened in the Amul field or the year of elephant. This has happened on 570 until 571 in Christian era. It was the year of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. How's the story? Let's get started. Hundreds of years ago, before our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, there lived a powerful and greedy ruler in Yemen by the name of Abraha. He was jealous that all the Arabs were visiting Kaaba in Mecca, the house of Allah, which built by Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam. Abraha forced his workers to build the biggest and most beautiful building he could imagine. He wanted to trick the Arab into leaving the Kaaba and visiting his building instead. But the Arab knew that Abraha was only trying to get more visitors. They loved Allah and they just wanted to visit the Kaaba, the house of Allah. And then Abraha was so angry and he decided he will destroy the Kaaba. A tribe called Quraysh looked after the Kaaba and they were led by Abdul Muttalib, the grandfather of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Quraysh were very worried when they heard about Abraha was planning to destroy the Kaaba. But Abdul Muttalib told them that Allah will protect the Kaaba because it was his house. And one day, Abraha arrived with a powerful army. He had the huge elephants that could easily knock down the Kaaba. But Quraysh didn't try to stop them. The strongest elephant was Mahmud. He is the leader of elephant. But there is one man who went up the elephant. His name is Nufail bin Habib. He was a gentle but brave man. He whispered into Mahmud's ear that Kaaba was the house of Allah. When Abraha told the army to charge for it, Mahmud didn't ride into the Kaaba. He and other elephant bowed down instead. Because animals obey Allah and he will never destroy the house of Allah. So Abraha's soldiers was very confused. When they turned Mahmud's way into the Kaaba, he stood up. But when he turned back into the Kaaba, he bowed down again. So Abraha's soldiers couldn't match the power of Allah. Abraha was very worried at that time. He knew that he had made a big mistake by trying to destroy the Kaaba. Just then, there were loud sounds coming from the sky. Do you know what is that? It was a hundred of birds flying toward the Kaaba. They were sent by Allah to defeat the Abraha's army. Each of bird carried stones from their beaks and their feet. The bird dropped the stone onto the Abraha's army. Hundreds and hundreds of stones fell from the sky, hurting the soldiers and chasing them away. So, Abraha's soldiers couldn't match the power of Allah. His evil plan failed and he was defeated. So, this year become known as the year of elephant, and it's also the year of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. So we are in the end of the story. Don't forget and remember, Allah is one. No other God except Allah. Like Al-Quran said, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل فأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول صدق الله العظيم. Al-Quran also tell about this story. So that's all about our story today. I hope you get advantage of this story, and thank you for your attention, and we will catch up in the next video. See ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.